Alright guys, in this video we take the big Rubicon on the 6-inch portals and the 33-inch Strachey Aztecs, and a smaller Rubicon, all stock except for 28-inch Outlaw 3s and a snorkel to Brick Lake. The big Rubicon did phenomenal. It was crazy how well it climbed up on the grass mat, climbed out of the holes it punched through. It even climbed up some really steep, rutted banks. You know, you think it's on 6-inch portals, it'll just tip backwards, but no, it still climbs extremely well. So super impressed with how the Rubicon performed. No issues out of the portals or anything. It made it there and back, hopping over cypress knees. Got stuck one time because it was really stuck on cypress knees. I didn't want to, push it too hard, so I had to get the chainsaw out. But it actually drug the smaller Rubicon a lot of the way there and back because 28s aren't quite big enough when the grass mat's this soft. They punch through a lot. You don't quite have the ground clearance. So super gnarly ride. I know a bunch of people asked about when we're going to do it again. If you want to find out, get on the Patreon page. It's right here on the bottom right of your screen. I post when I'm going to do a group ride on there, and we can meet up at North Beach and go do it. It is a gnarly ride. I don't recommend it for overbuilt bikes. Your bike will break and get left out there. There's too many cypress knees and it's too soft. You need a fairly light machine that's built really reliably. Belt drives have a hard time with it because you're creeping a lot to not punch through the grass mat, so it really works a belt. The Yamahas do okay with the wet clutch, but we've burnt a lot of Can-Am and Polaris belts out there back in the day. But if you want to prove me wrong, bring your Can-Am or Polaris and we'll see how it does. But yeah, it's a really gnarly ride. And it's also a maze. I've got a good GPS map. That's the only way to do it because you get out there, it all looks the same, and you got to go the exact right way or you're going to get stuck out there all day. Technology. This trail is no joke. Oh, the weeds have really floated around in here. So last time we cut right through there, so I'm gonna try to go around these. This is like bottomless. Golly. Oh! I got through a couple of those like that back there just because the tires are so big it doesn't fall in like your foot will. But I mean, look at this shit. Or maybe don't follow this trail. Oh no. Oh, fuck. I cannot believe it climbed that on 33s and 6-inch portals. Hey! Terrifying. Thought you were going to flip into that hole. I want it on video. Oh God. We went too far into the Cypress Knee Forest. Look at this. That's not good. I don't know if I can get it in there. Just have to pick it up. Technology. Oh yeah, keep going. What?
You know that joke is still left good?
It'll idle here all day long.
Got stock ARs on it?
Mm-hmm. Just portals.